This map represents the digital battlefield of Northern Virginia. Every one of these glowing beacons is a local business fighting for territory in Google Maps. In cities like Arlington, Fairfax, and Alexandria, securing these top spots directly dictates who gets the call and who gets ignored. Having excellent customer service is a baseline requirement, but the metric that actually decides who wins this digital territory is the active, consistent display of highly detailed 5-star reviews. Today, we are going to build a frictionless, automated review generation system. The goal is to stop relying on random, occasional reviews and instead build a reliable machine that works in the background of your business. Before we build the system, you need 3 things in place: a claimed Google business profile, active ways to communicate with your customers like email or text, and at least one recent transaction to test the process on. By moving away from a passive strategy where you simply hope a happy customer remembers to leave a review, we can engineer everyday customer interactions into a predictable engine for dominating your local market. Step 1 starts inside your Google Business Profile dashboard. Log in and update your core data points. Select your precise business categories, list your specific services, verify your operating hours, and upload fresh photography of your team or work. Let's look at this side-by-side comparison. On the left, an unoptimized local listing looks sparse and neglected. On the right, a fully populated profile displays rich images and detailed services. The visual authority of the completed profile is obvious. If a customer clicks your review link and sees outdated or missing information, it creates immediate hesitation. That tiny moment of distrust is often enough to make them abandon the review process entirely. A fully optimized profile signals that your business is active and healthy. It acts as the necessary foundation of the system, converting casual profile visitors into reviewers and eventually into future customers. Step 2 is about removing friction. This funnel diagram illustrates what happens when you ask a customer to manually search for your business to leave a review. You start with a large group of willing customers at the top, but the flow severely chokes as they hit barriers like opening an app, typing your name, and navigating menus. Most will simply drop off. To bypass this friction, we need a direct path. Go to your Google dashboard and extract your unique Ask for Reviews link. This creates a high-speed route straight to the 5-star prompt, completely bypassing the search process. Next, take that specific link and run it through a free QR code generator. You now have a scannable asset you can use in physical, real-world applications. By engineering a path that requires exactly 1 click or 1 scan, you respect your customer's time. This drastically increases the statistical likelihood that they will actually leave the review. Step 3 is standardizing when and how you ask. The correct trigger is time-sensitive. You must deploy your request immediately following a successful job, a completed appointment, or a positive interaction. Compare these 2 text messages. The left shows a generic request. The right side shows an optimized script. Instead of just saying, "Please leave a review," it specifically prompts the customer to mention the exact service they received and the city they are located in. As you implement this, you must ask all your customers fairly. Google's guidelines explicitly prohibit selectively asking only your happiest clients while filtering out the rest. Standardizing exactly when and how you ask guides your customers to write detailed narratives. These specific mentions of your services and location feed Google's algorithm with highly relevant local SEO signals. For step 4, we embed the request into your daily operations. Take a look at this mockup. You need to permanently place your direct link and QR code into 3 existing touchpoints: your follow-up emails, your digital or printed invoices, and automated SMS thank you messages. Distributing the request across multiple formats ensures you meet the customer wherever they prefer to communicate. It gives them options without making you look aggressive or pushy. Now for step 5. You need to establish a rigid schedule to reply to every single review this system generates. Pick 1 day a week to log in and stick to it. When you reply, keep it brief and professional. Show clear gratitude for the positive reviews. If you encounter negative feedback, respond with calm, de-escalating professionalism. Publicly replying to your reviews closes the loop. It proves to future customers and to the search algorithm that your business is hyper-engaged and paying attention, which heavily influences the next person deciding whether to hire you. This cyclical flowchart shows the completed system in motion. You now have an optimized, prepped profile, a direct review path, a standardized ask, embedded touchpoints, and a consistent response loop. You have successfully shifted review generation from a frustrating occasional chore into a reliable, automated daily machine. If you operate in Arlington, Fairfax, Alexandria, or the surrounding Northern Virginia area and want to scale this system, USA Marketing Pros is here to help. Visit usamarketingpros.com today to request a free consultation for reputation management and Google Business Profile optimization. While competitors waste time relying on occasional gimmicks, executing this methodical, automated approach to your local reputation provides a reliable strategic advantage in the modern digital landscape.